Hi, beloveds. Long time no see. Glad to, be with you. Something came up today that I'm like, I've got to shoot a video about this. So, one of my clients, helping them with their job search and all that kind of stuff, and they sent me a screenshot of a text that they received. And they said, I don't think this is legit, but I don't want to miss any job opportunities. What should I do about this? And so I'm like, I look at the screenshot and within like the first few, I just know it's a scam. And it's so I'm going to show it to you in a second. And the thing is, when you are applying to jobs, there's things called ghost jobs where you apply to it, and I've done a video on that. So go find that one. Maybe I'll put the link to that one in the notes section here. But there's ghost jobs where there's a job, but they're not really trying to hire for that job. It's just there for a variety of reasons. I go into them in the other video. But there's also these fake jobs. There's these like worms that they're trying to catch fish with these worms. Okay, they're trying to catch people with this, and many times it's hard to identify these fake jobs because they look like any other kind of job that you're applying to. They'll list the salary, the whatever, and you apply to it, and then they get your information to try to bring you in for a job. The other thing is, if you, like on LinkedIn, if you have that little circle around your picture that says looking for work, you can be a target for job scams. Many times people put their email addresses on their LinkedIn profiles. And so if a scammer sees that you're looking for work on your little circle thing, and then they just go to your profile, pull your email, and then they'll try to send you these fake jobs. Okay. Another thing, if you're applying to job boards and, again, there could be a fake job there. If you are in like, so there's various ways that you can get scammed, but usually, you'll get targeted because you are looking in your job search because you are most vulnerable then. If you're not looking for any jobs, and just an opportunity, just pops up and it's, you might be like, oh no, I'm good, I have a job. But if you're looking for jobs, you are more likely to be a target for job scams. So let's get into this. Okay. See, this is my microphone here. You can see it. Let's get into this. I'm going to share my screen and show you. Um, share my screen here. Okay, let's take a look at this. All right, so I'm not even, like it's a fake email address and everything. So it says, hello, we noticed that your background and resume have been recommended by several online recruitment agencies. So it's very vague. It doesn't say which job board because it doesn't want to. Because, they know you're applying to stuff and they don't want to say the wrong job board, but they know you've been applying. So they're just going to be very vague. Okay. And it says, we are willing to offer you a part-time job that you can do in your free time. Who wants a job they can do in their free time? Everybody. Okay. Their job is simple. Everyone likes a simple job, right? Dedicated training. People like training. The working time is 1 hour a day. Really? Seriously? 1 hour a day? The work location is flexible. You know, this is so unreal. It's just laughable, right? But the thing is, people fall for this. People are like, wow, I'm so busy. I only have 1 hour a day. This is the perfect job. I can work from anywhere. Oh, and I need a flexible kind of thing. So some people, we may look at it and say, this is clearly a scam, but I'm telling you, I work with folks all the time who, they'll send me something and they're not sure and they don't want to miss up on an opportunity if it is real. But I'm telling you, this is a scam here. Daily salary is between 200 and 3,000 US dollars. Okay, so they want you to work 1 hour a day, right? But it's for $200. So just know when it sounds too good to be true, it is. It is. Okay, the other thing is you didn't reach out to them. They reached out to you from wherever. Your question should be, how did they even get my information? They're so vague here. So they're trying to get you. You didn't go to them and ask for something, okay? And then it says this job can bring a good income to the family. And regular employees enjoy 10 to 20 days of paid annual, this job can bring a good income to the family. If you think about in all of your job searching, right? All of the job searching, have you ever seen in a description where it says something like this job can bring a good income to the family. Like that language just is not used. We sincerely invite you to join our team. If you're interested, contact us by adding WhatsApp. Here's another red flag. WhatsApp. What employer is going to contact you through WhatsApp? That's a free app. It's not even a real phone number. It's not even a real phone. So it's like red flag, red flag, red flag, and then just a bomb blow up. Do not fall for this kind of stuff. It's not true. And let me tell you what they're going to do, right? You contact them and you say, "Oh yeah, I'm interested in working 1 hour a day for $200 an hour for 1 hour at this simple, easy job, right? $3,000 a day, whatever." They say, "Okay, great, you're hired. Um, Fill out the new hire paperwork." And you know what is on the new hire paperwork? You've had a job before. You know what's on that new hire paperwork. Your name, your address, your social security number, maybe. Oh, send us your ID because we need to verify your I-9. So you're going to send them all your personal information. Oh, they're going to have a field day with that. They're going to steal your identity. They're going to do all kind of whatever, not good stuff. And then so they're going to have all your personal identifying information. We call it PII in HR terms, right? The other thing is that they're going to do is, did you see? I don't know if you caught it, but in that description, it says that you will get paid like every day, right? Let's go back to it. I'm telling you, it's laughable. Um, all wages are paid on the same day. Okay. So get another red flag. Why do they want to pay you on the same day? Because this is the reason. Let's say it says you work 1 hour a day and you get paid the same day. Because what they're going to do is they're going to say, "Okay, you've worked an hour. So now, in order for me to pay you, I need you to send me your bank account information so that we can directly deposit your $200 or $3,000 paycheck into your account." They want to do it the same day because they don't want you to wise up and decide not to deal with them. They want to move quickly. So that's why 1 hour a day, get paid the same day because they want to get your information fast, pay you fast, get your bank account information fast so that they can actually pull money from your account instead of actually giving it to you. Do not give them your bank account information. Now, a regular employer, they may say, "Give me a voided check so that we can enter your payroll information." That's legit, a regular employer, not someone who's texting you from WhatsApp. So seriously, like, take care of yourself. Um, what they're asking, it's not realistic. 1 hour a day, 200, 2,000, all of that. So just be very careful. Be very careful. Don't fall for this. Okay. But the fact that you're looking for jobs, you will become a target because you're more vulnerable. You're looking for something and you may be looking for something fast. You may think to yourself, that's not a job, whatever it is they're talking about. I may not want to do long term, but that looks like good money for short term. So let me just try this while I'm still looking. Don't do it. Don't do it. The job doesn't even say exactly what it does. What else do you know that you can make 200 or 3,000 an hour that's easy? I don't know, some shadow job, economy kind of job. I don't know. I don't want to find out, right? And neither do you. Okay, so that's all for today. Just wanted to share that with you because I don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to fall into this trap for identity theft, stealing from your account. We don't have time for that, and it's so sad that there are people out there doing this because you're watching this, that that's not real, but there are people who are falling for it every day. All those people need is uh you know five out of they might send something like that to 1,000 people. If 100 of them fall for it, that's 100 accounts they're stealing from and all that stuff. So it's worth it for them, and it's so sad, it's so evil, it's so I just so wrong on multiple levels. And I just it's I have no words for it. No words. Don't be one of those people that fall for it. And if you hear from your friends and family about these things, tell them. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. Leave it alone. It's just not worth it. If you're suffering, if you're struggling, that is not worth it. Don't take those kind of risks. Okay? All right. So stay safe. Take care. DM me, message me, email me if you need anything. I'm always here. Happy to help. Bye bye.